Welcome back to Crazy Dave's Crew. I'm Laura, and you're watching a 60-second sewing tip. Now, you probably don't have this problem, but trying to thread the needle sometimes can be a little interesting. So, and whether it's a handheld needle or the needle on the machine, yeah, I have a little bit of trouble. Now, you can get the little, they're like little tubs, and they've got wax, in them. And you used to see them post office, grocery store, different things, and when they were trying to open up the bags and bag your stuff, they'd kind of put their fingers in the wax, and that way it was easier to hold on to them and open them. So you can do that, but what I have been doing is just using a candle. I'm used to holding it towards me, so I'm going to try to put it over on this side. But I just put it up against the candle, my thread, put my finger on it, and pull it through. And I do that 3, 4, 5 times. That gets some of the wax on the end, and I find I have a little bit better time threading my needle. And if it doesn't work the first time or two, do it again, so that you've got a little bit of wax on the end of your thread. I have found it helps, especially with my sewing machine needle. So, let me know what you think. Does it help? Do you have a special trick for helping to thread the needle? Because I will tell you, bifocals and getting older and fatigue, and sometimes myasthenia gravis, there's 2 types. One is ocular, where you just kind of see double, and then the other is generalized. I have both. Yay me! But with the medicine and treatment, I have moments where I'm good. But I still find threading that needle to be difficult. So let me know what you think. Let me know if you've got a special trick that you would like to share with the rest of the Thursday Threads viewers. Or other sewing nuts. I hope you find this helpful, and I sincerely hope that you will come back. We'll see you next time on Crazy Dave's Crew.